of my student. Okay, so on today's tutorials, we're going to be learning how to attend the copyright school. Yes, in case your channel have a strike and you don't know how to attend the copyright school, this is a step-by-step guide on how to attend the copyright school. Yes, you can see this channel posted a content and it was copyrighted. Maybe someone reported the channel. You can see you receive a copyright removal request for your video based on applicable copyright laws. You remove your video from YouTube. If you get true copyright strike, your channel along with any associated channel will be subjected to removal. Yes, what this means is if you have true copyright strike on your channel, automatically YouTube is going to delete your channel and whatever work you have produced is going to be deleted. Yes, so you must be careful on your sound. You're using the content you're creating. Make sure you use your original content, because if you have more than 3 copyrights, automatically your channel will be deleted and all your own work will be deleted. So make sure you're very careful about copyright. So that's not what we are talking about. I'm going to do a video on that, on how to remove copyright, on how to avoid copyright. But on today's tutorials, we're going to be learning how to attend the copyright school, and without no wasting time, let's dive into tutorials. So now you can see the message. You're going to click on attend copyright school. Yes, now you can see the message copyright school. Now please take a moment to watch this video on copyright and answer the following 4 questions. Now number 1 says all use of copyright content without permission of the owner are considered copyright infringement. So is it true or false? All use of content, all use of copyrighted content without permission of the owner are considered copyright infringement. Yes, that is true. So is it fine to use someone else's content as long as it is already appeared on YouTube? No, you can't use that person's content. So it is fine to use someone else's content as long as it's already appeared on YouTube. False, that's not true. So copyright infringement is a serious offense and violation of the law. May have significant consequences. Copyright infringement is a serious offense and violation of the law. American consequences. Yes, that's correct. The following things are copyrightable: names, place, faces, and space. The following things are copyrightable: names, place, faces, and space. True. So let's check our answers to see if we got at least 3. So you must pass at least 3 answers for you to be able to pass the copyright school. If not, you're going to repeat the questions again. So let's check our answers. So you can see you need to get at least 3 out of 4 questions then to successfully complete copyright school. So this was done on purpose so that you're going to see what will happen if you didn't attend, if you don't get at least 3 questions. Now you can see you need to get at least 3 out of 4 questions correctly to successfully complete the copyright school. So we are going to try again. So we're going to try again. So copyright is the information. I think that class is done. Let me save this.